Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles northeast of Harrison Beaver Crib to 31st Street Harbor, moving south at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burns Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hamilton Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. Here is the nearshore marine forecast.